Hello, welcome to our program Análise Diária, where we do analysis of Bitcoin prices with our software Wild Horses and current market data. Originally, our program is in Portuguese, but we are increasing the number of English editions for your convenience. So stay tuned. Don't forget to sign up to our channel and activate the notifications to be notified of videos like this one. So let's dive into the graphics. In this first graphic, we see here the closing daily price of Bitcoin quoted in Tether in exchange Binance. The prices are framing channels that, according to our software Wild Horses, best describe its behavior. And below in the graphic, we see here a colored line that depicts the volume traded in exchanges Binance, OKEx and Huobi, depicted as how many standard deviation they trade above the average. And that's an important measure to give us an idea of the strength of the move so far. Once the move in the volume goes back to average level, we don't see breakthrough in both supports as well as resistance. So it's important that the volume trades above the average, specifically more than 1.5 standard deviation according to the strength of the resistance or the support, to be able to break through it as it approaches it. Nonetheless, in case that doesn't happen, we form then a congestion region that limits the price moves for the current period. So right now we see that we are trading around 0.75 standard deviation in the volume compared to the average in the last 59 days. So what we see here is that we are, in our view, as interpretation of this data, unable to break through the top high $4,130 in the recent days, while the volume remains within this range. However, if it falls below this range, we are likely to make new tests to perhaps 4,000, which we are trading far above right now. So let's dive into our expectation for the end of this day, and what we see here is that we expect moving up and closing the day around 4,118 tethers at the end of this day in an admissible interval from 4,088 to 4,147. Our margin error is 0.74%, what means that we are forecasting correctly 99.26% of the Bitcoin price quoted in Tether in exchange Binance from one day to another, while the prices are swinging around 4 times more from one day to the other. And what we see here is that in the recent days we had a slight increase in the correlation between price and the volume, which is depicted at the background of this plot, which means that around 60% of the price moves are explained by the volume, and that is an indication that if the volume goes weaker, it is likely that the price might move south. However, if the volumes remain at current levels, we are likely to remain at this level and perhaps make new tests, although with few odds of success in the 4,130 tethers. So let's dive into the market right now. We are here now in exchange Binance, where we see the prices in this graphic of Bitcoin quoted in Tether. And what we see here in this 1 hour time chart is that we are with the volumes that are not enough in our view to cross above this limit of 4,130, nor even below the current support that is holding just above 4,175. So we believe that this is the region we will be swinging in the next hour as far as the volume remains like this. However, if it falls down by 30%, then it is our belief that we are likely to lose this support and perhaps make new lows in the 4,000. However, if it doubles its size, then we see potential next tests to the resistance at $4,130. So let's remain attentive to the volume traded and how the price moved. That is our indication, and that was our analysis for today. We thank you very much for your attention, your audience. Say again, don't forget to sign up to our channel and activate the notifications button so you are informed of new videos like this one. We appreciate any feedback that you can give us. We're always trying to improve our service to best serve you. And if anything we said that was not clear, kindly let the questions in the comments and we will reply as soon as possible. So have been our standard. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.